Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Notion for knowledge base setup step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address and click continue. Check your inbox for a verification email from Notion. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Notion website. Next, you will need to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. After entering your password, click on the Done button. Now, you will be asked to provide some basic information about yourself. Fill in your name and any other required details. Click Continue to move to the next step. You may be prompted to choose a workspace option. Select the option that best fits your needs. After choosing, click Create Workspace. You can now invite team members if desired. If not, you can skip this step by clicking Skip. Once you arrive at your new workspace, take a moment to explore the interface. You will see various templates available to help you get started. To set up your knowledge base, look for the Templates option in the sidebar. Click on Templates to browse the available options. Choose a template that suits your knowledge base needs. Click on the chosen template to add it to your workspace. Once added, you can customize it according to your preferences. Begin adding pages and content to your knowledge base. Utilize headings, lists, and links to organize your information effectively. Your knowledge base is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.